Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how to change candle color on BingX mobile application. If you want to change the candlestick color on the BingX app, then it's super easy, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged into BingX account's homepage, go to the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. You'll then end up in this expanded menu where you'll need to scroll down and tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Candlestick Color at the bottom. Now you have two different candlestick color options. One is green up, red down, and red up, green down. Select between one of those, even though there are not much options available. If you want to go ahead and turn on the fresh mode in the same pop-up, then it will tone down the colors of all levels indicating price change. You can turn that on as well. Now you can go ahead and open up your chart and you will be able to see the new candle colors applied. So that's how you easily change your candle color on BingX mobile application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.